Ahoy there, mates, and welcome aboard our Walt Disney World ferry boat. We are casting off for a mile-long journey across the Seven Seas Lagoon, a man-made body of water that required 3 years and the removal of millions of cubic yards of earth to complete. Our destination is the opposite side of the lagoon, 1 mile away. Along the south shore of the lagoon, you can see the Polynesian Village Resort, where guests enjoy nightly luau feasts and celebrations. Guest rooms are located in native longhouses, each bearing the name of a South Seas island. The Great Ceremonial House contains numerous shops and restaurants and features a romantic 3-story tropical garden with cascading waters. On the west shore of the lagoon is the new 900-room Grand Floridian Beach Resort. This gracious Victorian hotel recaptures the luxury of turn-of-the-century Florida, when the Roosevelts and the Rockefellers wintered in the friendly sunshine. Commanding the east view of the lagoon is the world-famous Contemporary Resort, the largest of the Walt Disney World hotels. Located on the shores of Bay Lake, the Contemporary Resort is known for the monorails which slip quietly through its 90-foot atrium lobby. Here, guests can shop and dine in view of the trains as they pass overhead. Beyond the Contemporary Resort, across Bay Lake, is the Fort Wilderness Campground Resort. There you'll find river country, a Disney recreation of an old-fashioned swimming hole with rope swings, rapids, a giant twisting water slide, and the world's largest outdoor heated pool. The magic of movie making comes to life at the Disney MGM Studios. We now ask your cooperation in our docking procedures. Those of you already on the stairs, please descend to the lower deck. Everyone else, please remain where you are, keeping away from the stairways until you hear an all clear to disembark. Since this is a completely free-floating vessel, we do have a tendency to bounce around while docking. Once again, please leave the stairways at this time. You will hear an all clear when it's safe to disembark.
You're clear, all clear.